This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OG. Jay, you know who you are. I've got so many things happening here on this humble little YouTube channel. I mean, I've said before, I've got the most mediocre YouTube channel in all of the YouTubes, and it's true. 225 subscribers. Thank you so much for the people who just subscribed. I appreciate that. And, well, you know, the channel is getting a little tiny bit bigger, so I'm doing some things to have a bigger presence, as they say. One of the newest things that I've done is the oldguynet.com website. You can see right here, oldguynet.com. I've got a link in the description down below as well. And check it out. It's a brand new website that I just put up. It's a work in progress, and eventually it is going to have a store on there. You'll be able to buy things like rustic flags and squirrel picnic tables and things like that. Stuff you actually use. You know what I'm saying? Not just, not t-shirts and hats and all that good stuff. Maybe someday I'll do that, but for now, people are messaging me and asking me about squirrel picnic tables and birdhouses and things like that. So I'm going to start doing that. So I made that site, and it is up. It's a work in progress, like I said. Check it out. Leave a comment here and tell me what you think about it. And you can leave a comment there, too, as well. So leave comments all over the place. Today is normally Old Guy Rants, but I have nothing to rant about. Not right now. I'm feeling pretty good. I've got all my focus is on this channel and the shop and making things better and better and better. And that's what I want to do. And I've got some unboxings coming up because I've ordered some stuff on the interwebs. One of the things I ordered to make things a little better here, this is, let's see if we can make this a little better viewable. There we go. This is my 5-channel mixer that I'll have for my microphones that I've just ordered. And I'm going to have that for the website. Not for the website, for the YouTube channel. Yeah, the channel you're on right now. That's going to be a really nice addition. I've also ordered some wireless mics, some lapel mics, and some other mics, some desk mics that I'm going to be using. Looking at a boom mic, all things that I'll be using in the shop if I decide to turn the shop into the studio, which I just might do. I'd kind of like to do that. I really would. Another thing that I'm going to be unboxing is this little gem that I just ordered. It is a Husky brad nailer / crown stapler. This is better than the one that I had before. That was just a brad nailer. This is an 18 gauge brad nailer, and it also does the 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. I don't know. It does the crown staples, which will be really, really nice to have, especially when you consider I'm going to be putting some insulation in the shed, and that would be nice to tack that up with. So that should be here in just a few days, and as soon as I get it, I will do an unboxing. We're getting just the tool, nothing else, just the tool, and no case or anything like that. So don't be surprised if I make a case for it out of pallet wood like I did for the finish nailer. I probably will, unless the old brad nailer case, if it fits in there, hey, I'll just use that. It's all about reusing what you already have anyway, right? So I've got those two things coming. I've got some microphones coming. I thought I had a picture of one, but I don't seem to have the picture here. So, that's just the way it goes. Also, today I received a message from one of my Slovenian friends, Samo. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. S-A-M-O. Samo. That's how I would pronounce it. But if that's wrong, please correct me, would you? He sent me a couple of pictures. One, little confusing. He's doing a project with this. I'm not really sure what he's doing with that. We're going to find out, though. I think he's going to let me know. I've asked him to update me on this project that he's doing in his own shed, in his own shop. He's got a garage. He doesn't have a shed like I do. He's got a garage. And he sent me a picture of that as well, and he apologized for it not being cleaned up. But like I told him, that's nowhere near as messy as my shed. My shop is it's a wreck right now. But I'm working on it. But the one nice thing that I see right here, if we can zoom in on this just a little bit, that box, that is the reason why he got a hold of me in the first place. That is the box that contains the table saw that he bought after he watched one of my unboxing videos. So that's kind of cool. And every once in a while he leaves a comment and sends me a message on Facebook, and that's great. And I still want to be the David Hasselhoff of Slovenia. So yeah, I'm still I'm still working that angle. And I think Samo is actually helping me with that, because I do have quite a few Slovenian viewers now. When I first started this, I had one, and I think he was it. So when I looked at my analytics, I had everybody from, most of my channel were from the United States, and then some from the UK, some from Canada, and Slovenia was dead last. Right now, in the past couple of weeks, Slovenia is now number 2. So it goes United States, then Slovenia, then I believe UK, and then Canada, which is kind of cool. So I'm catching fire in Slovenia. I still want to go there someday, but that would be kind of cool. So keep up the good work, Samo. I really appreciate that. I like your shop. I see where you're going with it, and I don't know what your project is. I know you're something with a thumb screw and all this. I don't know exactly what you're doing. And I do know that Samo is a photographer, so it might have something to do with that. I'm not really sure. He's actually a very good photographer. You can look him up on Facebook. He does property photography in Slovenia. Takes pictures of people's houses, houses for sale, apartments, that sort of thing. If I'm getting any of this wrong, please correct me, okay? But yeah, he's very talented. I looked on his Facebook page, and they were pretty nice. Now, I'm not going to leave a link to his Facebook page. I don't know if he wants everybody to go there. If you do, I will leave a link. Give me permission, and I will do that, because I'm very aware of people's security and safety on the internet, and I don't want to overstep anything. But thank you so much for the message today. That was great. I really enjoyed that, and I'm looking forward to the unboxings that will be coming up. And as soon as they do, I'll let you know about it. So that's going to do it for this No Rant Thursday. I think that's what it's turned into now, because the past couple of weeks that I was going to do a video and do an old guy rant, I got nothing to rant about. Life is good. The trailer hood is good. Things are going well, and I'm pretty optimistic in the direction that I'm headed. So that's pretty nice, right? I hope everything's going well for you on this Thursday, and I just hope you have nothing but sunshine and birds singing and squirrels playing, and just have a great day. For the Old Guy Network, I'm the OG, I'm the old guy, and I'm out.